everyone, this is Teacher Peter from Flying Kites, the grade 3 science teacher. Today in our lesson we're going to be looking at healthy eating, alright? Healthy eating is our main topic for today. Okay, so in this lesson today we are going to be looking about this topic. Now the success criteria, what I want you as the grade 3 learners to grasp after this lesson is that you should be able to name the 6 types of nutrients that are found, that are involved in the healthy eating. So this is what you should be able to get after this lesson, after whatever that I will explain to you, alright? Then, as we know, all of us in this world, as long as something is living, we should be able to eat so that we can survive. Human beings eat, animals eat, and also the plants that are outside there, they also do what? They also eat. Now, the reason as to why these plants, animals, and human beings eat, it's all about surviving. Now, they don't just eat whatever that they come across to, alright? So they choose what to eat and what nutrients are there, okay? For example, you may find that in the plants that, the foods that you are eating, you don't know the type of nutrients that you are absorbing or you are getting from the foods that you are eating. So it's really important that you do what? You know the type of nutrients that are found in these foods that we eat. So as we are going down, we are going to be talking about these 6 types of nutrients that are found in what? In the foods that we eat. And on the board here, they are mentioned, okay? The first one is carbohydrate, then the proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Okay, so first thing first is the carbohydrate. What are carbohydrates and where do we get the carbohydrates from? These carbohydrates are just sweet foods that we eat every day, okay? In the food that you ate, for example, a cake. In a cake, there is a lot of sweet, okay? In that cake, there should be this type of nutrient, as well as the sweet potato. The sweet potato also contains the carbohydrates, and you can tell me from the name itself, sweet potato, okay? So you should be able to know to say this food that I'm eating, they are carbohydrate, or they are proteins, or they are fats, or vitamins, as well as minerals, and so on, okay? So the second type of nutrient that we should have in the food that we eat every day is the proteins, okay? The proteins, we are talking about the foods such as meat and fish, as well as the ground nuts, okay? We find such kind of what? Proteins in those foods that I've mentioned, alright? So you should be able to eat these kind of foods that I've mentioned that contains what? The carbohydrate, as well as the fat. The fats are also the third type of the nutrients that we have. So we are talking about oily stuff, okay? For example, if you have seen mom cooking at home or anyone other than you cooking, when they are cooking relish, they add a little bit of what? The oil. That oil that they add in the relish, it contains some what? Some fats, okay? So you should be able to know to say, okay, the reason why they are putting oil in that food or in that relish is because they want it to have what? Some fats, which are very important to our what? To our healthy up there. Then the fourth one is the vitamin, alright? The vitamins are really important to our body, okay? And these vitamins, we can get them from the food such as the fruits, okay? Any kinds of fruit, they contain the vitamins that we eat. Oranges, apples, and other kinds of fruits that we eat, they contain this. So make sure, as you are coming to school, you should be able to have what? The fruits that contain this kind of the nutrient, which is the vitamin. Alright, the fifth type of nutrient that we should talk about is the minerals, okay? These minerals, they help our body to be what? To be healthy, okay? And we can get them from different types of food. For example, even in water itself, it has some minerals that we get when we drink what? When we drink that water. Okay, so the last one as well, it is water itself. Okay, Every day here at school we've been advising you to come with a bottle of water. The reason being, we want you to be healthy. So water is also one of the nutrients that we get from water itself, okay? We should be able to have more water in our body. For what reason? For not having dehydration. Dehydration is the loss of water out of our body. Okay, so basically this is what we've been talking about, the 6 types of nutrients that we should eat in our bodies. Now, as you have to stay healthy, there's things that are involved. Okay, first of all, you have to be able to be exercising each and every day. That's why there's PE at school. The second one also is making sure that your teeth is clean. Okay, your teeth are clean. You eat these kind of food, the carbohydrates, they contain sweets. So if you don't clean your teeth, it means that they become rotten. Okay, so as well, you should be able to clean the environment where you are. Okay, you should be able to breathe in good air, all right, good oxygen in your body. Then the last thing as well is already mentioned, as to take in a lot of water so that your body can be healthy. Thank you so much, and as well, you should be able to answer the exercise that is just below the handout that is going to be sent to you, and answer it according to what I've explained. You find the questions there. Thank you so much. This has been Teacher Peter.